Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Friday afternoon. We made it to the weekend. Beautiful day today. Clouds are on the increase right now. Looking at the Newport Pell Bridge, dry skies. In fact, we're going to stay dry through at least 8, 9 o'clock this evening. Once we get beyond 9 o'clock, we'll start to see a little bit of light rain working in. So I think heading out this Friday evening, we're doing okay, but do expect some precipitation later in the evening. Starting as rain, but it'll start to mix or begin to mix with wet snow after midnight tonight. Temps as of the 3 o'clock, almost 4 o'clock hour, pretty nice, upper 40s to around 50. So here's the breakdown. Light rain after 9 o'clock in the evening. Now, I do expect after midnight and during the pre-dawn hours, it'll mix with a little wet snow, and there could be just a thin coating by daybreak across interior sections, and really nothing more than that. In fact, none of that would stick to the pavement, just like grassy surfaces, car tops, patio decks, and things like that. It's not enough to bring out plows, obviously. Raw, damp, chilly Saturday, unfortunately. It's really a combination of both light rain and some wet snow, kind of a gusty breeze. Sunday is the better day. Another storm, a storm system on early next week, Monday evening into Tuesday, maybe more significant as far as heavier precipitation and some strong wind. Right now, it looks like mostly rain with some snow mixed in, but this is still several days out. But the Monday night, Tuesday time frame, we are watching very closely. In the meantime, you see clouds on the increase, precipitation just outside of New York City. That'll arrive around 9, 10 o'clock this evening, starting as mainly rain, and then overnight mixing with some wet snow. Area of low pressure now just north of Pittsburgh. What will happen is a secondary system, a secondary low will form offshore, just close enough to make Saturday not a great day in terms of sunshine, so kind of breezy, raw, and damp. And we take a look at the forecast starting off at 7 o'clock this evening. We're dry. Sometime between 9 and 11 p.m., we bring in some light rain that's starting to work in. Temperatures are in the upper 30s, and then during the overnight, it is mixing with wet snow. Now, here we are Saturday morning. This is 7 a.m. Initially, it's cold enough to support mainly just light, wet snow everywhere. But as the sun rises and the temperatures go up, we'll start to see more of a kind of a light rain mix with some wet snow. This is 11 o'clock on Saturday morning, and the Newport, the St. Patrick's Day parade in Newport. It's 39. It's raw and chilly with light rain showers, maybe a few wet snowflakes mixed in. It is a rain or shine event, so grab an umbrella and a warm coat and try to make the best of it, but that'll continue off and on throughout the day. This is 2 o'clock, upper 30s, and just that mix of light rain, light snow. It starts to dry out by Saturday evening. If you're heading out Saturday night, the weather is actually dry. We'll start to see some clearing later on Saturday night. And again, Sunday, the better day. It's brighter, it's drier, and with less wind. Snowfall accumulations, little to nothing here. So, and again, this is well after midnight towards daybreak on Saturday, essentially inland, probably like north and west of the Route 295 corridor, just a slushy coating, mainly on non-paved surfaces. You know, the very high elevations, you could squeak out like a half-inch, Foster, Gloucester, some of the high elevations of western Kent, but this is mostly a slushy coating on your car, your patio deck, and really nothing on the roads. As we jump ahead to this evening, which initially starts dry by between 9 and 11, bringing in some initially just light rain, then mixing with wet snow overnight. Saturday morning, it is windy, raw, and chilly. And while the graphics appear to give the appearance of a stormy morning, it's not. This is just kind of nuisance precipitation of both light snow and light rain, but just kind of raw and chilly. Temperatures in the mid-30s. During the afternoon, precipitation is very light, but it's kind of light rain mixing with some wet snowflakes at times. Temperatures in the middle 30s. It'll dry out Saturday evening. Sunday, a much better day. Storm system for Monday evening, Monday night into Tuesday. We'll have to watch that closely, so we'll keep you updated.